Hello, class, and welcome to Mrs. Robertson's homeroom. I am so thankful that we get to do our Module 1 together. We will be doing a project involving area and doggies and research, so we are excited to dive into this module. I'm going to do a little navigation review as you can go through your coursework to see where everything is located. So you can watch this recording again and pause it as needed to help you find all of the pieces to your module. Let's first look at our course information. We have here a drop-down list where you can look at each part of the course. We have instructor information. This is where you will find information all about me and the best method of communicating with me. You'll see a little bit of a personal note, and then at the bottom you will see that there is my email and my phone number to help you reach me. You can reach me at any time, but also the office hours are there listed if you would like to schedule a conference time with me. We'll go back to the main page. You will also see our course calendar. On the course calendar, it is a PDF. You can pull it up and you will see some links there that are aligned to the assignments for each of those weeks. Week 1 will be covering the learning skill of learning about area. You will also have synchronous sessions for an hour on Monday and Wednesday where we will meet together and discuss these skills and practice them together. You can also ask your questions at any time during that session too. Week 2, you will see that those links are there as well with all of the activities you are to complete. That is just a big overview of the course. All right, the course syllabus is also linked here. Again, here's my email, phone number, office hours. This is more information about our class with our schedule, course details. We have some of the skills that we will be covering throughout this school year. Here's our office hours communication again so that you can set up an appointment with me if needed. Any of our classroom expectations that we will set in place as we begin our live sessions. Technology skill expectations. If you have any issues with technology, please contact K-12 with their website or their phone number. We also have our grading expectations and calculations, our attendance policy, late assignment policy, academic integrity, and any additional support that you need there. So that is a big overview of that, a quick overview of the course syllabus. I will go back to our main page again. I'm going to go ahead and collapse that so it's not in the way. Module 1 lessons. If you want to click on that, you can close it as well, but if you open it up, you will see all of the lessons and activities for our Module 1. And like I said, we're going to be engaging in finding the area of rectangles, and we're going to apply that to a real-world situation where we will design a doggy daycare. I know many of you love animals, lots of you have dogs, and so you can relate to this where we are sending your dog or your pet to a doggy daycare to spend the day. And you will be the designer and the creator of that building. So that is the big project that we will be working on in this module. Let's break it down a little bit though. In your introduction to module, you will see a quick video about the project that you will be engaging in. You will also find this video linked here as well. In lesson 1, the main point of lesson 1 is to be able to understand what area is and how to find area of a rectangle. So you will see our learning objectives. This is the layout for all of the lessons. You'll see lesson 1 activities where you will learn more about area. You will find a book there that you will listen to being read to you. If you would like the transcripts for any of those, that they're listed below the video. Number 4 explains that you will be engaging in a discussion activity. You can find that discussion on your discussion tab, or if we go back to the main page for the module, you will see it there as well. It is called Lesson 1 Discussion about Area and Perimeter. You will need to comment on 2 classmates, so look closely at that assignment. The assessment for this week 1 is to create a mural and calculate the size of your mural. Your hundreds chart is there as well as a PDF that you will use for your design, and you can print that off and send it in according to the requirements for that lesson. All right, here again is your discussion board that you will open up for that area and perimeter discussion. There is that lesson 1 mural assessment as well. Now we go into lesson number 2, doggy daycare preparation. This is where you will engage in research to learn about what is needed in a doggy daycare. What equipment, what supplies, what tools, what spaces are needed. You'll watch a video of a real life doggy daycare. Then you will research more about doggy daycares using this link here with a PDF. It will provide you with different resources to click on so that you can learn more about doggy daycares. For assignment number 3, you will be creating a presentation of what you found in your research. You will watch a video about finding area of rectangles, and then you will have a lesson 2 quiz where you will find the area of rectangles. You can find that quiz on the quizzes tab, or if we go back to our module, it will be linked there as well. Lesson 2 quiz, finding the area of rectangles. All right, lesson 3, this is where you get to engage in creating your doggy daycare project. In lesson number 3, again, we will have our live sessions. You will review the project s'more. It is also listed listed here as a PDF. It has an overview of your project just in one complete space. And there will be links here to where you will submit your project. And then it will give you a reminder of when that project is due. It is due the final day of our unit, Friday, April 19th. After you have completed your project on a class kick, this class kick does lead you to all of the directions for your project. You will then create a presentation of your choice to display your final project. And again, that will be listed on your module page. We have our assignment 3, final project presentation assessment. And then last but not least, you will reflect on the entire module and your experience that you had creating your doggy daycare. And that will be listed here on that module page as well. Guys, we are going to have such an incredible time learning how to use area within a real world situation, and you will become incredible mathematicians.